Hi everyone, こんにちは. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today we will make Veggie Dashi. I hope many of you watched my dashi soup stock recipe. Other than vegetarians and vegans, I'm sure many of you interested in veggie version dashi soup stock. Today let's make two kinds of veggie dashi with using kelp and shiitake mushrooms. And second, kelp, shiitake mushrooms, and dried daikon strips. Have you ever seen dried daikon strips? It has very crunchy and unique texture, so I like dried daikon strips. As always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as my helpers. And then during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So two kinds veggie dashi are ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます. In Japan, we don't usually drink dashi soup stock as it is. But today it's a recipe video, so I want to drink and describe how it's like. Okay, at first, I'll taste the kelp and shiitake mushrooms. You can taste the umami flavor from kelp. And at the end, you can smell flavor of shiitake mushrooms a lot. And I didn't add salt or other seasonings, but it has already a natural saltiness somehow. Okay, next, let's try this one. This is kelp and shiitake mushrooms and dried daikon strips. Look at the color, it's almost orange. Before drinking, I already smell the daikon radish stripes. The flavor from the dried daikon stripes is strong than shiitake mushrooms. And then at the end, the umami flavor from kelp, and then the flavor from shiitake mushrooms comes later. Yeah, definitely different soup stock. Which one would you like to try? Please let me know. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when you start to put the kelp in hot water, Please wipe the surface of the kelp well with using kitchen towel or kitchen paper. Be careful not to wash because the flavor will be gone. So don't wash. And tip, after wiping off the kelp and put in a pot with water, don't boil. Kelp is very sensitive ingredient and has a slightly very delicate umami flavor. And tip, if you made a lot of dashi super stock, no worries. You can preserve in a refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and freezer for 1 month. I recommend to use the ice cube maker to freeze. Or I sometimes use the big Ziploc bag and pour the liquid and flatten with using the tray, then freeze. How was the veggie dashi recipe today? I hope this recipe will help you to make vegetarian version Japanese food many times. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button down below. We will see you next time. Bye bye!